Hi, I'm John Kane with Cook Martin Polson, and today we're going to talk about reasonable compensation in an S corporation for an owner. Now, this has been a really hot topic in the past few years, and the reason is that since 1958, when S corporations came to be, the idea of being able to not have all earnings subject to self-employment tax has been kind of a gray area, and the IRS has never really said one way or another, this is what you need to do, this is what you can't do. There have been some court cases that have given us some guidance, but overall the IRS hasn't said one way or another how much is considered a reasonable wage. Some things to consider when determining whether or not to determining what your reasonable wage should be is if you're taking a lot of distributions and very, very low wage, you're going to expose yourself to a lot of audit risk. So an example of that would be, say you made $1 million in your business and paid yourself a $10,000 wage, you're basically asking the IRS to come and audit you. Now, one kind of rule of thumb that we follow here at Cook Martin Polson is taking kind of a 50-50 approach, where 50% of all cash that comes out of the business is paid out through a wage, and then 50% comes out as a distribution, and then obviously not subject to the payroll tax on that. The idea is that you as a small business owner has put up a lot of risk in starting your small business, and that distribution is a repayment or a dividend of that risk that you've taken to start your business. Once you hit the Social Security limit, you'll want to talk to your tax accountant about kind of some strategies from that point, because there are options with profit sharing, 401k, those kinds of things that can have some good long-term effect, as well as continue to protect yourself from any unnecessary audit risk. The main thing is, do not put a zero wage on your tax return. Don't pay yourself nothing and take everything as distributions. You'll lose that in court every day of the week. Be reasonable, be fair with the IRS, and you'll be just fine. So if you have any questions about what's reasonable, what do I need to be aware of, it is kind of a case-by-case basis, so don't hesitate to reach out to us and give us a call. We're happy to give our input and make sure that you're not exposing yourself to any unnecessary risk.